Hey everyone, I am so excited to take you on a tour today of Rolling Meadows, which is a brand new community by Caruso Homes right here in Mooresville, North Carolina. If you are somebody looking for plenty of space, no HOA, and near Lake Norman, this area might be the perfect fit for you, so let's go check it out. Rolling Meadows is located off of Perth Road and Fern Hill Rd, only minutes from Lake Norman and about 30 minutes from Charlotte, giving you the best of both worlds with a peaceful setting as well as easy access to city life. This is a pretty exclusive community. They are only planning on building 21 homes. They have already sold 5 homes, which means there's only 16 opportunities left to get into this awesome community. So what makes Rolling Meadows so special? There are 2 big reasons why this community stands out. Number 1 is lot size. These lot sizes are coming in right at half an acre to an acre, so you're getting a lot of land, a lot more land than what a lot of these new home build communities are offering. Number 2 is no HOA. This is something that is kind of unique for this area. In the area, there are a lot of HOAs around, especially in new home build communities. So to be able to build a brand new house with no restrictions or HOA that comes along with that is just a big perk that a lot of people are looking for. Today, we are going to be touring the model home here at Rolling Meadows. This is the Lexington II floor plan. As we tour through the home today on this video, you may be thinking, wow, I can get all of these things for just the base price, and most likely no. But the good news is Caruso does offer 6 different floor plans, and they give you the opportunity to personalize a lot of the house. You can add on some things or go to their design center and pick out the finishes that you want so that the home really meets your specific needs and what you're wanting in a beautiful dream home. Here's a quick breakdown of the starting prices as well as the square foot ranges for each floor plan. What makes Caruso stand out a little bit is their customization options. Unlike other major home builders who just kind of stick to that cookie cutter floor plan, Caruso does give you the options to add on things like sunrooms or 3rd floors or things like that, just to make it so you can personalize it and customize your home as you want. All right, so let's step inside the Lexington II and check out this beautiful floor plan. You know, I love the flow of this home. As you walk in, obviously you have the dining area and a small office, and then it just kind of flows right into the living room and kitchen area. This home does offer a lot of great finishes throughout, but just as we're walking through the house, let me talk to you a little bit about some builder incentives that Caruso is offering, as well as warranties and just some important things to know about the community. Caruso Homes is offering a $10,000 closing cost assistance if you use the builder's preferred lender. $10,000 in closing costs is just such a great incentive to have. It's something that you can obviously put towards closing, or if you wanted to use that money to buy down your interest rate and lower your monthly payments, that's also a great option. For the first phase, they are also offering 50% off of design options. So what that looks like is you go to the design center, you pick out your finishes and things that you want in the home. Let's say you pick out a total of $50,000 worth of finishes. You would only pay $25,000, so that's some huge savings. Things like this sunroom right here, this is going to definitely be an add-on, an optional upgrade. Like I said, these homes usually have the best of the best in them, so they're wanting to showcase everything that they have available, along with this screened-in back deck that you're going to see, as well as you can see through the window across. That is the master bedroom, kind of a sitting room. So things like this do not come on the original plans. These are definitely upgrades that are available, though, if you do want that type of a floor plan. The primary bedroom is on the main floor in this floor plan, and I love this optional seating area that you can upgrade to. I think it just lets in a lot of light with all of these windows, which I really love. And then as you come through the room, you have a major massive closet. There's a lot of space in here. It goes very deep up into the front of the home, so definitely a lot of space for all of your clothes and shoes. And then as we go into the primary bathroom, this is the bathroom of my dreams, and I love that tub in the shower. It's just such a pretty tile and area. So this is definitely one of my favorite bathrooms I have been in a while. Any good reputable builder is going to have a warranty on their home, and Caruso Homes is no different. They offer some great warranties. They have a 2-year mechanical and electrical warranty, as well as a 10-year structural and 1-year walkthrough. So if you have some issues with your home in the first year, you can call the builder. They'll come out and fix it for you. Also, build time on these homes from dirt to home is going to be about 6 months. Obviously, with new home build and construction, that can change and vary quite a bit, but from what they're seeing in these first few homes that they've been building, you can expect to be around 6 months. Some other quick things to know about the community. This area is on a well and septic system, so these are not part of city water or sewer. Instead, they have private wells and septic systems. Rolling Meadows is also just in Iredell County. You will not be paying city taxes, only county taxes. And Iredell County actually has a pretty low tax rate for the region. They are coming in right at 0.6%, so you'll be saving a lot of money on taxes each year. Another fantastic thing is that in phase 1, there are no lot premiums. So in most new home communities, what you're going to find is that certain lots come with an additional cost depending on the location. Sometimes corner lots, cul-de-sacs, or there might be a lot that maybe has a better view. Usually those have a premium attached to them. But for the first phase here in Rolling Meadows, there are no lot premiums on the homes along Fern Hill Rd. All right, what do you think? Could Rolling Meadows be the place for you and your family to call home? My name is Morgan Woodhead. I'm a real estate agent here in Charlotte. I work a lot in the Mooresville area, and I was so excited to go and be able to showcase this Rolling Meadows community. They offer a really great product with some beautiful homes and great floor plan options, so give them a look if you're wanting to buy a brand new home this year. If you have any questions about the Rolling Meadows community, you want to set up a tour or have more questions regarding home building there, please feel free to reach out to me. My information is in the description below. I would love to talk with you about how I can help you get into one of these beautiful homes. And if this video was helpful to you at all, please like and subscribe. I am going to be coming out with a lot more tours of new home build communities in the area, so do not miss that. Thank you so much for watching today.